Morning, guys. April the 20th. Going for a ride. Her three wheels. Alright, we're out for another adventure. Kinda cloudy this morning. Okay, I've only had one person suggest a name. Beautiful. I need some more names. Give me some more names out there to name my spider. Okay, we took us a little break. Now we're back on the road. Turn the camera off where I could save the battery. We're gonna go see some roadside attractions. Not exactly for sure what we're gonna see. Beautiful countryside. I had another little jacket in the back, but I did not. Evidently, I pulled them all out. Down the mountain. Got to turn my camera on as we're coming down. You know, I got to thinking, I got to start on my garden. Get some tomatoes planted, squash, cucumbers. Oh no. Beautiful. We're getting some curvy roads, railroad track beside us. Ooh. Tennessee state line. love my curvy roads. Okay, did not realize that we was coming up a mountain with all these lovely curves. So I finally got to turn my camera on. Yes. I know we're behind the bus, but we still got curves. You know, when I'm up here in the mountains and I see something, it catches my eye. Like, I'd like to do that at the house. That looks pretty. Just get different ideas when you're up in the mountains. Guys, I'm just pretty much coasting. Not giving no gas. Coasting down the mountain. And yes, we are on a different road. Tickling my throat. That's pretty. Okay, the old gas station that we stopped at, there's a lady sitting there and she talked, gave us some very good information on the place, on her history. Very sweet lady. But yeah, hopefully he got more than I did. All the pictures and the talking of the history, but you know, it's over there. It's there. Smyrna cowboy. Gave him his little package off the bike. Had lunch. And now we're off to get some go-go juice. You know, we gotta have that go-go juice. Excuse me. Okay, we are riding the interstate for a little bit. Look at the gorgeous mountains. They're gorgeous. I love the mountains. Okay, beautiful bridge. Lovely. Hopefully there'll be some hang gliders where we're going. If it's not too windy, if it's just a right enough wind, they will be flying. If it's too much, they won't be. So, catch y'all in a few. They are. There he is. Okay, we did see some of them take off. Now, we're going to find a winery. Okay, Cloud Canyon Vineyard. And of course, part of it's gravel. Yeah. This one was not on the trail. So, but I did get me two bottles honey mead. It was pretty good. They only had one thing of sweet, so cowboy. And his friend, I can't remember his name. Sorry about that. But we've had an absolutely awesome day. About 5 deer out there in the field, running and jumping. Glad they wasn't on the road. Okay, I don't know. Phone ain't working, but the camera is, I'm assuming. But we did. We had an absolutely wonderful day. Got out and rode a lot. It is what it is. I'm getting excited for VAM 2024. Can't wait. We're going to meet up with a bunch of them, the motor bloggers, on the 8th or the 9th. We're going to ride the back of the tail of the dragon. Wait to do that. And I don't know where else we'll go. Haven't really decided yet. And that is when we go up to Caswell to ride the back of the dragon in July. 274. I'm coming on up. So if y'all would help me get my channel out there, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up.